What's up everybody, this is Andrew from 4Runner Customs bringing you another Toyota how-to video. Before we get into it, if you want to check out some Toyota content that's actually entertaining, be sure to look up my main channel, 4Runner Customs, or if you want to see some custom built and designed mods for these vehicles, check out 4runnercustoms.com. Now let's get into the video. I'm back here with my 2006 4th Gen 4Runner, and I just quickly wanted to go over something on the interior. Now, there isn't really anything on how to change and replace these seat buttons. As you can see on the other side, my 4Runner has no button over here, and so I was looking for a solution in order to get that replaced. And what I came across was, I actually found some that you can 3D print, so I 3D printed these replacements. But if you don't have a 3D printer, you can find them online very cheaply. But I just wanted to quickly show you how to replace them. So I printed two because I wanted the replacement one to match with the other side. So first I'm going to replace this one and then we'll go to the other side. But in order to replace it, you have to unscrew it over here. So unscrewing it is very simple. All you have to do is twist it this way a few times and you will remove it. There is the little rod. Now, in order to put the new one on, I found it's easy to go ahead and push this rod down to lean the seat forward. And once you lean the seat forward, then the rod kind of stays in the middle by itself, which makes it a whole lot easier to put the new one on. So I got it to perfectly balance in the middle, and of course there's threads in the middle. So I'm trying to slide it on with some finesse, and I think I got it. So once I have it started threading it, I push it back here. It pops up and it becomes easier to thread on. So then I just thread this down and like new, there we go. So let's go do the other side. So now I'm on the side that never had one to begin with. I'm just going to repeat the process. Lean this forward, that way this thing can balance and it becomes a little bit easier to put it on. It may take a few tries to line it up correctly, but I think I just got it. So yeah, so we just tighten that up, and just like that, I got two matching buttons. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.